Good morning children. So today we are going to be start our maths chapter 11 and the chapter 11 is related to the decimals. Okay, this is the last chapter of term 2. So in this decimals we are going to be discuss about what are the parts of the decimals, how to convert the decimals into how to write the decimals into words and how to divide the decimals. So some important points related to the decimals. First that we will write in the notebook and then we will do the sums in the textbook itself. Okay, so everyone take out your maths classwork book and write chapter 11 decimals heading in the maths notebook. Okay, so after writing that, now copy this all the statements. Point number 1. Decimals are special fractions. Decimals are special fractions. So what are decimal children? These are the special fractions. Okay. Second point. They are fraction with denominators 10, 100, 1000, so on. Example 1 by 10, 2 by 100, 5 by 1000. Third point, decimal numbers have two parts. Decimal numbers have two parts. Okay, decimal numbers have two parts. First one, A, whole number part. Whole number part. B, decimal or fractional part. Decimal or fractional part. Example, fourth one, the two parts are separated by a point, that is dot, called the decimal point. Fifth one, example 485.361. Okay, so decimal before will be known as whole number part. And this is point. And here 361 is decimal part. Here 61 is decimal part. Okay, Next, point number 6. After the point, it can be have 3 place values. First one, tenths, 1 by 10. Second one, hundredths, 1 by 100. Third one, thousands, 1 by 1000. Seventh one, 235.613 can be read as point before regular place values only, children. Okay, point before regular only, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, point before, and point after it will be have tens, hundreds and thousands. So how to read this one? 235 and 35. After what is the children? Point is a no. So the point also have to write in words. Point. Next what is there? 6 tenths. So write 6 tenths and 1 hundredths. 1 hundredths. Next 3 thousands. 3 thousands. Okay. Next, in expanded form. In expanded form, same number will take 235.613 is equal to 2 in hundreds place now, so 200 plus 3 in tens place now, so 3030 plus 5 plus 6 is in tens place, so 6 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 3 thousands place. The thousands will be comes as a denominator, 3 by 1000. Okay, 200 plus 3 in tens place no, 3 0 30 plus 5 plus 6 is in tens place, so 6 by 10, and 1 is thousands place, sorry hundreds place, so 1 by 100, and 3 in thousands place, so 3 by 1000. Like that you have to write in an expanded form. Okay, now based on this information we will do some sums in the textbook. Now after writing this, everyone open your textbook page number 106. Open textbook page number 106. Here in textbook page number 106, we will be having 3 sections. Okay, the first section you have to write in words. Second one, write in the expanded form. Third one, it is there already in the expanded form, we have to write in the short form. So from 3 I am going to explain one sum. Listen carefully. Based on that you have to write it. Okay. A 37.21 section 1. 37.21. How to write here now? THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7. Point is there no? So write POINT point. 37 point. And decimal after 2 and 1 separately we have to write. TWO2 ONE1. Okay. 37.21. We will read like that only. 37.21. Okay, like that we have to write the first one. Second one, 46.35 is there. So write 46 point. Put the dot and then 3 5 is there. No, write 3 and 5. After the point we should not read together the numbers because the place values are different. Okay, so it should be read like a single digits only. Got it everyone? So next, Roman number 2. In Roman number 2 we have to write in the expanded form. 381.72. So point before this is the whole number part and decimal part. Write the place values, ones, tens, 100, and this will be the tens and this will be the hundreds. So here 3 in hundreds place no, write 300 plus 8 in tens place no, 80 plus 1 and plus again plus 7. 7 it is in the tens place, so 7 by 10 plus 2 it is in the hundreds place, so 2 by 100. Okay, point after you have to write by 10, by 100 or by 1000 like that based on the numbers given. So remaining all here zeros are there no, so 0 by 10, 2 by 100, 3 by 1000 like that you have to extend the numbers. Okay, and next Roman number 3, write the decimals. Roman number 3, 3000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. Okay, thousands, hundreds, 20 and 10. So first 3, 103,521, and before writing this 3 by 10 what you have to put? Point. Okay, point, then 3, 2. Okay, these tens are place values there no, tens and hundreds. After the decimal directly you can write the numbers. Like this remaining sums you have to do it. So do page number 106 and before that complete the points neatly in your maths notebook. Okay.